What's going on, guys? So just a quick video today just to basically say I'm sorry. I didn't even realize that YouTube was doing this, but a few of you guys let me know that basically I think for the last couple months there's been ads popping up on my videos. I first of all want to let you guys know that I did not put them there. I've never monetized this channel. I've never made a dime from this YouTube channel. I never wanted ads. I intentionally avoided ads because ads are super annoying, and especially when you just want to get to the information you want, to have to click on that stupid skip button and then have your message or your video interrupted in the middle of it. It's just really, really annoying. So if you guys have been seeing ads in my videos, just want to say sorry. I didn't put them there. That's YouTube doing their thing. It's their website. They can do what they want. I totally understand their point of view on this, and I'm very grateful again just to be on their platform. I do wish, if anybody on YouTube ever would ever see this video, I wish they would give creators like myself an option, like a premium option, where we could pay a little extra to ensure that no ads go onto our videos, because I know that YouTube has a business to run and they're trying to just make money. I get that. They need to keep the lights on so that we can continuously upload our videos here for free and reach people basically for free. So I'm not discounting the value and the awesome things that YouTube does. But I also think that it's kind of really obnoxious for a lot of you guys, especially for me, to just be interrupted by ads, especially when the creator of those videos did not want to put them there and they're not making the money, right? These aren't ads that I'm going to be making any money from. It's all going straight to Google. So I wish they could give us some sort of a premium option where we could pay a little extra or just pay some sort of a subscription fee to ensure that no advertisement goes on our videos at all. That would be really, really cool. I would be very willing to do something like that as long as it wasn't thousands and thousands of dollars per month. But if it was reasonable, I would be more than willing to pay and to help support the website and to keep those advertisements as far away from my videos as I possibly could. But as far as I can tell, they don't have an option like that. Maybe they'll have one in the future. So I'm just here to basically say sorry, guys. And if you've been seeing a lot of video or ads on my videos, just know that that's not me. I would have had, if it was my choice, we would be ad free forever. I'm just not a big fan of ads. I'm not a big fan of the advertising model business. It's just, I don't know. It works for some things, but when it comes down to content and stuff like what I do, I think it just really gets in the way. And probably if you've been seeing ads, I'm actually curious, if you have seen ads in my videos, comment below. Let me know what products is it for, or is it for like another channel, or I don't even know, because I have, as a consumer of YouTube, I have the premium service, so I pay their monthly fee to make sure that I never see ads again. I did that about maybe 6 months ago or something like that, and I really honestly wish I had done it years before that. I cannot tell you how much I value taking my time back away from waiting that 5 seconds. Even if it's just 5 seconds to click on that skip, or some of those you can't, you have to watch the full 30 seconds or whatever, to not only just get that time back, you accumulate all that time back in your life, but also to just not be distracted, right? And not be having your attention always pulled to all these different places that you did not intend your attention to be pulled to. You clicked on a video to learn about sync licensing, and then you're thinking about doing your taxes, or you're thinking about buying some workout supplement, or I don't know. I'm really curious actually what they're advertising on my videos, because I don't see it because I have the premium thing. So please let me know in the comments what you've seen on my videos. And I also want to know, like, are they putting ads in the middle of my videos? Like if I have a 10-minute video, are they putting one in the middle and interrupting it? Or are they just throwing one in the beginning or one at the end? I'm just actually kind of curious what you guys have seen on my videos. So any feedback you can let me know, that'd be helpful. And again, I'm just sorry. That's all I really got to say today. Sorry about this. I wish things were a little different, but they're not. So I'm going to just accept them, and we're just going to keep rolling here. And I'm going to do my best to keep giving you guys high quality content.